girl. Good girl. Good girl. What's putting it on? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
But she's been well supported by the rest of her teammates in that top order. But you're exactly right. It is key about this partnership here. And I can see the stars. They really know how important this first wicket is here.
Well, Mediterranean was the next in the second highest run score with 458. She had 6 half centuries in the tournament, including her best was on Sunday, 77 and 59 against the Sixers. All right, Fergus, what target?
Good night, man.
I think they do see that. They need at least 160. Like trying to put pressure back onto the side.
Looks like they have to hold you.
Made their way out to the middle of the stunning Sydney Wednesday.
It's fouled.